Welcome IGCSE students. We're going to look at vectors. We're talking about column vector form. So let's have a look at question 2a. And what we want to do is we want to find how much it changes in the x direction. So you've gone across 3. So we write a 3 here. And then you've gone up 2. So we write a 2 here. And that's column vector form for that vector. Across 3, up 2. Now let's look at B. We start from here and we go back 6 and down 1. So it should be minus 6, minus 1. So left direction is negative and down is negative. Let's look at C. C, we've gone back 2 and up 4. So minus 2, 4. Let's look at D. D has gone back 4, and since there's been no change in the y value, we just write 0. E. You can see that E has gone back 3 and down 3. So minus 3, minus 3. And then F, you can see that F has changed horizontally at nothing at all, and it's gone down 2. So no horizontal change, because horizontal is the top number, and minus 2 vertical change. Now G, you can see that you have gone across 5 and down 3. So positive 5 for the x direction, and down 3 for the y direction. Now looking at H, you start here, you've gone across 4 and up 1. So 4 for the horizontal, 1 for the vertical. Those are all column vectors. Now let's take a look at these two vectors here. Perhaps we'll use a highlighter rather than just crossing it out. Minus 4 to 8. Well, look at what we've done here. We've multiplied that by 2, and you can see that we've multiplied that by 2 as well. We can say that the vectors are parallel. Now let me show you why that is. Let's take the first vector, minus 4, 2. So I'll start here, and I'll go across 2 squares, across 4 squares backwards, right? And then I'll go up 2. So that's that vector there. Okay, now obviously it's a bit hard without a ruler, but that's what I've got there. Okay, now let's take the second vector and we'll start over, let's say we'll start over here. We're going back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've gone back this far, but then we're going up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there. And you can see that they're parallel. And the reason this is, you can simplify both of them. If you divide both of them by 2, you can get minus 2, 1 here, right? And this one you could divide by 4, and you get minus 2, 1. And so the same basic vector is happening and being repeated over and over again. So they're parallel. Okay, so for this one, 3, 1 is going to be like this. We go across 3 and then up 1. Okay, so that's our vector there. And then let's do this other one, the red. Minus 1 up 3. So maybe I'll start here. I'll go minus 1 and then up 3. 1, 2, 3, and that's like that. Now if we draw those two. Okay, you'll notice that it's 90 degrees. They are perpendicular. And the way you can think about this is that, remember when the gradients are negative reciprocals of each other, then you'll get perpendicular lines. Well, when column vectors are the negative reciprocal of each other, then you will also get perpendicular lines. So for example, if we have something like this, 2, 3, then we know that either -3, 2 or 3, negative 2 would be perpendicular to 2, 3. Okay, well I hope that gives you a little helpful introduction to these column vectors.